Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML course, and this is the section on forms. Forms, that's what, like text boxes that you fill out. When you're going to go buy something, you have to put in your credit card information or whatever, anything you sign up for on the internet, you're going to be filling out a form, and this section is about forms. It's going to be fun. All right, let's get this rolling. Okay, so we need to start with our template. Okay. We have changed our navigation a little. We need to get that caught up. And we need to add a spot for the new forms section. So inside the nav, we'll make another pipe. Ahref equals forms.html forms. Close A. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's just copy that back to our other pages so we'll be able to navigate between them. We can close that. Let's see. All right. Okay, we'll save all. And then let's file, save as, and we'll name this forms HTML. Okay, so we've got forms HTML, and we'll make the title be forms. Okay, and here's the content. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Okay, so now we have our template ready, and we can talk some more about forms in the next video.